Good morning, children. Now I am going to take EVS subject for second standard. For portion term 2 portion, children. Already I took in the before class lesson food and health visa. In that I completed the lesson. Now we are going to see the exercises. Fill in the blanks, match and question answers we are going to see, children. All of you take your EVS classwork. First we wrote term 1 portions. In that you take a fresh page. Take a fresh page and write term 2 portions you write there. Then you start writing unit 1. Write the topic unit 1 food and health. Lesson name is food and health. We are going to see now. Fill in the blanks. Okay. See here. First one is we get cereals and pulses from plants. See here. W-E. We get G-E-T. Get cereals. C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Cereals and A-N-D and pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses from, F-R-O-M, from plants. நமக்கு தானிய வகைகள் எல்லாம் பருப்பு வகைகள் தானிய வகைகள் நமக்கு எதிலிருந்து கிடைக்குது? செடிகள்லேருந்து தான் கிடைக்குது. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Seeds and nuts uses oil. Seedsனா விதைகள். விதைகள்லையும் நம்ம இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, நட்ஸ்னால் என்னது? கிரவுண்ட் நட்டு, கேஷ்யூ நட் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான். பாதாம் பருப்பு பிஸ்தாலாம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல அது. சீட்ஸ் அண்ட் நட்ஸ் யூசஸ் ஆயில். சீட்ஸ், S-E-E-D-S, சீட்ஸ். அண்ட் A-N-D and nuts, N-U-T-S, nuts. U, G-I-V-E, U-S, U-S-S, oil, O-I-L, oil. Spices. See here, dash. Spices add flavor. Flavor means கமகமன் வாசனையாக இருக்கும்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, flavor வாசனை. Flavor and it gives taste. Okay, T-A-S-T-E, taste to the food. T-O to the T-H-E the food. F-O-O-D. See here. Dash add flavor and taste to the food. In dash what will come? Spices. S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. Then fourth one, we get W-E-V-G-E-T, get. We get sugar. Sugar means what? Chakkarai. We get sugar from dash. What will come in the dash? Sugar cane. கரும்புலேருந்து நமக்கு sugar கிடைக்குது. Sugar cane. S-U-G-A-R, sugar cane. C-A-N-E, sugar cane. Then fifth one, eating carrot prevents night blindness. Eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, eating carrots prevents, P-R-V-E-N-T-S, prevents தடுக்கும் நமக்கு. நைட் பிளைண்ட்ஸ்லேருந்து அது கேரட் சாப்பிட்டோம்னா அந்த வியாதி தடுக்கும். நைட் பிளைண்ட்னஸ், prevents night blindness, N-I-G-H-T, night blindness. night blindnessனால் மாலை கண் சொல்லுவாங்க. 6 o'clock afternoon they will be unable to see. That is night blindness. 6 மணி ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அவங்களுக்கு கண்ணு தெரியாது. அதான் night blindness சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. Eating carrot prevents night blindness. Listen dear children, listen carefully. Once again I am reading. Fill in the blanks. We get cereals and pulses from plants. Seeds and nuts give us oil. Spices add flavor and taste to the food. We get sugar from sugarcane. Eating carrot prevents night blindness. Finish children. Write in your EVS classwork. Take your EVS classwork and write neatly. Write the heading. Unit 1 food and health. Write Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. Write 1. Put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and all you write and write neatly. Keep your classwork neatly. Finish children. Next we can see match the following. Roman letter 2. Roman letter 2. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match the following. Number 1. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Next one, fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Clove, C-L-O-V-E, clove. Fourth one, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Jaggery, J-A, jaggery means vellam. J-A-G-G-E-R-Y. S-U-G-A-R, sugarcane. Then cereal, C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Junk food, J-U-N-K. Junk food, F-O-O-D, food. Spice, S-P-I-C-E, spice. Then healthy food, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Say along with me, children. Food, healthy food. See here. See here, pizza. What is pizza? We used to order, no? That is junk food. That is not healthy for our body. See here, pizza. Then junk food. See here, Roman letter 1. Fruits. Fruits is healthy for us. See here, healthy food. So, 2. Clove. Clove is a spice. It gives flavor and taste to the food. So, it is a spice. Number 3. See here, rice. Rice is a cereal. Number 4. See here, jaggery. Jaggery, we get jaggery from sugarcane. 5. Okay, children, take your classwork and write neatly. Write the heading, match the following. Then we can see the question answers now. Next, children, once again see pizza, junk food, fruits, healthy food, clove, spice, rice, cereal, jaggery, sugarcane. Okay, children? Now answer the following. Roman letter 3. First one, what do we get from plants? W-H-A-T, what do we get? G-E-T, get, from the T-H-E, the plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, what do we get from plants? Answer. What, children? What and all we can get from plants? We get pulses, cereals, oil. You can get. Okay. So I am writing. See here. We get W-E-V-G-E-T. We get C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. Pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Oil, O-I-L, oil. Then spices, S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. Vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Greens, greens means keeraigal, greens. And fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. All these things and all we can get from the plant. F-R-O-M, from plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. See here, what do we get from plants? நம்ம செடிகள் கிட்ட இருந்து நமக்கு என்னென்னலாம் கிடைக்குது? இங்கே பாருங்கள், பருப்பு வகைகள், தானிய வகைகள், ஆயில், ஸ்பைசஸ், இன்னும் நிறைய கிடைக்குது. சரியா? மிஸ் கொஞ்சம் தான் எழுதியிருக்கேன். We get WEVGET get cereals 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 pulses 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 oil 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 spices 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 vegetables 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 greens 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 and and fruits 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 from 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 plants PLANTS plants. Then second one, take your class work and write neatly children. இப்போ நம்ம plants கிட்ட இருந்து என்ன கிடைக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தோம். Now we can see from animals what we can get. WHAT what do WEV get get from 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 animals 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 question mark. I am writing the answer. Answer what things we are getting children? We get WEVGET. We get meat MEAT meat, milk MILK milk, eggs and EGGS eggs from animals ANIMALS animals. Then third one, what do we get from water bodies? Water bodies means what? Sea, lake, ponds, கடல், குளம், குட்டைகள்லேருந்து நமக்கு என்னென்னலாம் கிடைக்குதுன்றதை நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். WHAT what do we get from water bodies நீர்நிலைகள். water bodies நீர்நிலைகள். water bodies BODIES. I am going to write the answer children. என்னெல்லாம் கிடைக்குது நமக்கு? See here, crabனா நண்டு, prawns means எறா, then wide variety of fishes, நிறைய விதமான ஃபிஷ்ஷஸ்ல நமக்கு நிறைய விதமாக கிடைக்குது. WEV get GET we get CRAB crab, prawn PRAWNS and and wide 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 variety 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 of fishes 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 from water bodies. FROM from WATER water bodies BODIES. What do we get from water bodies? We get crab, prawns and wide variety of fishes from water bodies. Children, shall I read once again? Listen carefully. What do we get from the plants? We get cereals, pulses, oil, spices, vegetables, greens and fruits from plants. What do we get from animals? We get meat, milk and eggs from animals. What do we get from the water bodies? We get crab, prawns and wide variety of fishes from water bodies. Children, I wrote 3 questions, children. Write neatly in your class work, say and write. This is also saying, no, say along with me and write children. Children, get your term 2 books as soon as possible. Then only you can able to follow me along with the page numbers and book exercise. Fourth one, write some milk product. What and all things we are getting from the milk, we should write that product. Write some, S-O-M-E, some milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Product, P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S. Answer, curd, C-U-R-D, curd means thair. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter means vennai. Ghee, ghee means nei. Paneer, P-A-N-N-E-R, paneer. And cheese, A-N-D and cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. See here, first from the milk we used to get curd, from the curd we used to get butter, from butter we get ghee, from ghee we can make paneer and cheese. These are milk products, okay. See here, C-U-R-D, curd, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, G-H-E-E, ghee, paneer, P-A-N-N-E-R, paneer, we used to make paneer butter masala, no? From the milk only we are getting this paneer and cheese, okay. And A-N-D and C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Name some healthy food. N-A-M-E, name, S-O-M-E, name some healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy food. F-O-O-D, name some healthy foods. Vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables, fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Nuts, N-U-T-S, nuts and greens. G-R-E-E-E-N-S, greens. Name some junk food. N-A-M-E, name, S-O-M-E, name some J-U-N-K, junk foods. F-O-O-D-S. Answer, pizza, P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza, burger, B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. Soft drinks, S-O, soft drinks means what? Coco, Fanta, you are drinking, no? That is called soft drinks. Ice cream, ice cream also a junk food only. See here, ice creams, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M-S, ice creams. Chocolates and noodles, chocolates, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, T-E-S, chocolates and noodles. We should avoid all these things, children. We should not eat this one. This is not good for our health. It put weight for us, okay. Noodles, we used to eat noodles and all we used to eat, no, we should avoid all those things, that and all junk food, that is harmful, that put weight for us. See here, pizza, P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza, burger, B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. Soft drinks, S-O-F-T, soft, D-R-I-N-K-S, soft drinks. Ice creams, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M-S, ice creams. Chocolates, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates. And A-N-D and noodles, N-O-O-D-L-E-S, noodles. Okay, children.